the first thing you need to do is that you come to right here where you have aspect ratio. Get it right here. And then you select where you have the 5:8, which is this one. So after you've selected the aspect ratio, you come to all the way to where you have your export, right? And then you can export your video. Then the next thing you have to do is to come to your Play Store or your App Store. It depends on whatever platform you're using, Android or iOS. Right here, then in the search bar, right here, okay, I'm going to type in the keyword YouCut, YOUCUT, and hit search. I already have the application installed on my tablet or my device. That's why it shows you open, or it's showing me open, right? But if it's your first time, you're going to see what it's going to ask you to install, right? So you just go ahead and install the application. So once you've installed the application, right, you go ahead and click open. And then you're going to import the video you just exported from CapCut. So you click this plus icon to import your videos, right? So go to new project, and then you import the video you exported from CapCut, right? So as you can see right here, the CapCut logo is still very visible. So right here where you have these tabs right here, you're going to scroll all the way to where you see the crop option. So this is where the crop option is here. So I'm going to click it. Now you're going to crop out the logo. Okay, you're going to crop out the CapCut logo right here. Good. And so I'm just going to do that. Take it easy, just gently crop it up. Okay, and then do the same for the upper section of the video. And then you're going to hit this check mark to save, and you're going to hit you're going to come up right here to click save to save your video. So this is the video we just run out from our YouCut application, and as you can see clearly, there's no CapCut logo on the video, right? So this is how you can export your video in CapCut without the logo, the CapCut logo. So thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe.